Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in canvas and brush choices so nothing interrupts flow. Open Procreate, set 300 dpi and a 4000 px longest side for flexible output. This preserves detail. Next, pick one reliable base brush, one texture brush for interest, and a soft blender. Create named layers, background, sketch, base color, shading, and an adjustment layer, then lower sketch opacity. Once done, block in large shapes immediately. That gets composition and color relationships established fast. Now you move from block-in to focused rendering. Block large shapes first using pressure sensitivity, hard edges for form, then soften where planes meet. This preserves structure. Make clipping masks to add color shifts without altering base layers, and use locked alpha when applying texture so strokes stay confined. Transition deliberately to smaller brushes, a mid-size brush for planes and a tiny one for crisp highlights. Make sure to evaluate value and saturation often. Small adjustments now avoid major rework. Finish by unifying the painting with adjustments and targeted passes. Use hue/saturation and curves layers to balance overall color and value. Apply a subtle Gaussian blur on a low-opacity duplicate to glue edges. Add rim light and ambient occlusion to increase depth, and overlay a faint texture to sell material. If things go wrong, values look flat. Desaturate slightly, re-establish the midtone contrast, then relight using an overlay layer. This isolates the fix without destroying color decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.